For the cumulative frequency, we want the running totals, so 4 add 7 is 11. 4 add 7 add 21 is 32. 4 add 7 add 21 add another 21 is 53. 4 add 7 add 21 add another 21 add 18 is 71. And my final number matches the question. To draw the graph, I take the top values and my cumulative frequency, so 50 and 4, 60 and 11, 70 and 32, 80, 53, 90, 71, 178 and 110 up at 80. I can do dot to dot to make my ski jump. Weighing more than 85, well here's 85 kilograms. How many weigh more than that? That's 18. Interquartile range, well 80 divided by 4 is 20. Reads off at 64, and 20 times 3 is 60, so the 3/4 mark is at 60, quite close to my previous line. Which comes down at 84. So the interquartile range is the 84 subtract 64, which equals 20. Simultaneous equations. Bottom equation starts with 3, so multiply the top equation by 3. Top equation starts with 4, so multiply the bottom equation by 4. Then we do the top equation, subtract the bottom equation. So I've got positive 15, subtract negative 8, which makes 23. On the right I've got 39, subtract 108, which is negative 69. The opposite of multiply by 23 is to divide by 23, which tells me that y equals negative 3. Let's take this first equation again. I've got 4x plus 5, y is negative 3, equals 13. 5, lots of negative 3 is negative 15. The opposite of subtract 15 is to add 15. And the inverse of multiply by 4 is divide by 4. x equals 7. So x is 7 and y is negative 3. First thing I need is the gradient, which is the change in the y numbers over the change in the x numbers. So the y numbers are 3 and 9, and the x numbers are negative 2 and 6. Let's see what that equals. 3/4. I know the equation of a straight line is y minus y1 equals m brackets x minus x1. y1 is negative 1, m is the gradient, and x is 5. Now they want me to rewrite it in this format. So first thing I'm going to do is multiply the left-hand side by 4. So I get 4y plus 4 equals, let's expand this at the same time, 3x subtract 15. And then they want the letters on the left, so I need to subtract 3x. And the numbers on the right, so I need to subtract 4. To find velocity, I need to differentiate. So I multiply by the old power, so 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 1 less than 3 is 2. Multiplied by the old power, 12 times 2 is 24. 1 less than 2 is 1. And a number times a letter is just the number. To get the acceleration, I need to differentiate again. So multiplied by the old power, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. 1 less than 2 is 1. A number multiplied by a letter just becomes the number. And I want to know when this equals 0. The inverse of subtract 24 is to add 24. And the inverse of multiply by 12 is divide by 12. So in 2 seconds. So vase A and B. Vase A is 120 and vase B is 750. Let's see if we can simplify that first. It's 4 and 25. Now 4 is 2 squared, 25 is 5 squared, so that was our surface area. If we deal with volume, we want these cubed, so it would be 2 cubed to 5 cubed. 2 cubed is 8, 5 cubed is 125. And we're told vase B has a volume of 1600. So what's the 125 been multiplied to make 1600? 1600 divided by 125 is 12.8. So we're going to do that to the 8. 12.8 gives us an answer of 102